Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to fix iCloud video not working, so how can you fix that problem? So actually the kinds of problem gonna happen because of your storage and your version. So I will explain several ways how to solve your problem. So the first thing you need to make sure is go ahead to your settings and you need to click your profile icon and you need to check on your photo session because also your photos and image are stored in your photo, right? So scroll down until you see the iCloud and just go ahead to your photo. So before you freak, you need to make sure your account is already seeing this iPhone. So you need to turn on using this iPhone first, as I mentioned before, and then you will be able to check back on your available on your videos, is this work or not. So check your available iPhone storage. You can also go ahead to your setting and go ahead to general and scroll down until you see storage. So now currently this is my storage and I have a lot of storage. And there's a lot of photos and videos on my iPhone, so I need to delete some because I have a lot of storage. So because of your storage, you will be able to see your video is not loading. It's just stuck at the same um period or like this, something you can be having the kind of problem. And the second method you have to use is you need to upgrade your iPhone. So go back again to your generals and you need to check for software update. So actually my iOS is up to date. So when you check on your software update, if your version is not the latest version, make sure to update. And try to restart your iPhone because in some case if you forget to restart your iPhone properly, the kinds of problem can be also happen. So make sure to restart your iPhone in some case. So finally, if you optimize your iPhone storage and then after restarting your phone and after updating to the latest version, let's go back to check your resolution videos and they will be able to see. So that's how to fit iCloud video not loading, guys. If all of these resolutions are not working, just sign out for iCloud and try to signing back to your iCloud, and you can just go back to your photos and you can check your videos are working or not. So I recommend you to try all these methods until you get bad. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. See you, bye.